Hey there foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a delicious and creamy white sauce pasta without any cheese. So let's get started. In a large pot, bring water to a boil and add a generous pinch of salt. Cook your chosen pasta according to the packet instruction. Then drain and set it aside. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan over medium heat and add onion, tomato, capsicum and toss in vegetables. You can add any veggies of your choice. Just salt them with pepper and salt. And now in another pan, heat 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the pan and whisk continuously for about 2 minutes until it forms a paste-like consistency and loses its raw taste. Gradually pour in milk while whisking continuously to avoid lumps. Continue to whisk and cook the sauce over medium heat until it thickens, usually within 5 to 7 minutes. If the sauce becomes too thick, you can add more milk or water to achieve your desired consistency. Now add in oregano, chili flakes, salt, pepper, peri powder. It's optional. Now add in the sorted veggies and mix them for a while. Now that your creamy white sauce is ready, you can pour it over your cooked pasta and toss everything together. Serve it hot and you have a delightful white sauce pasta ready to enjoy. Those who are just looking for a lighter alternative. Thank you for joining us today and we'll see you in next episode. Happy cooking and enjoy your white sauce pasta.